Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, it's Anthony here. I'm looking at gold, got it open on the 4H chart. Did a video on this back here on the 18th, and the trade idea was a sell, which we got. If you go back to that video, you'll notice how I marked it up and what we were looking for. I'm going to do the same thing again today. Just going to size this up. I'll give you my ideas on it, and we'll look for a trade opportunity. I've got these lines marked up from previously. The yellow lines are daily levels of support and resistance, and the orange is weekly. Now we've got this weekly open here. This was the candle open on the 4H. We're trading under the weekly open now Wednesday. So my question with that is, do we continue a bearish trend with this? Possibly. Although this is starting to trend up here. We've got these higher highs, higher lows on the 4H. Now, trading into support, this balance area, and this is a bullish trend at the moment. So I'm just reluctant to jump in here short. What I'd be looking for would be, if we see this trade back up, watch how it trades around this weekly open. Does it reject here? And then do we get something like that? So that's one idea, possibly. That's if it rejects around this level. It's a big level here. We've got this weekly, daily range as combo. And above that, we've got this 4-hour distribution. So we've got this balance area resting up here, and we've got this balance area resting down here as well. Okay, so it's traded back up, rejected. And I'm wondering whether we see this actually pull back up again and you know, we see an opportunity. And what I'll do is I'll go down to the lower time frame and show you how I get involved with this. I'll be looking for how we're watching how this trades around the London Open. So we've got the London Open kicking off shortly. So what we'll do is we'll go down the time frames. I'll just mark up this 4H. We've got one distribution level marked up here. I've got this now, this balance area. We could mark that up, trading into that 4H. And then when we look at this on the lower time frame, these levels here will be significant. You know, then we've got, well, back here we've got this level as well. Another 4-hour level to consider. 4H, done. It's kind of trending up on the, you know, we can see these higher lows, but yeah, be careful. We've got these lower highs, so it's not really, you know, it's more or less range bound within this kind of structure here. Trend line. Okay, so we're heading into a bit of a tight squeeze here. Keep an eye on it. What I'll do is I'll go down to the lower time frame and I'll show you how I get involved with this. In fact, we'll do that now, and then we'll come back to this and we'll look at an opportunity around the London Open. I'd like to show you. In fact, here's an invite to join my Telegram group. The link is below. And there's also another link there, We Trade Your Forex Account. Click that and have a look, and you might be surprised at the results. You can connect your Forex account to mine. I want to show you this. We've got this indicator here, and it gives us a couple of things, right? We've got, see these lines down here under, these lines, these bars, red bars. So when I see these red bars, this is telling me that the 4-hour and the 1-hour are the momentum is a strong bearish momentum on those time frames. Now I'm on a 15-minute chart here. If I see these red bars under, I'm going to be looking for red signals. We get this guy here, that's an arrow, this dot, we've got this bearish signal, another bearish signal, this dot. So what these red dots are they're stop runs basically. It's giving us a bearish signal here. And as you can see, I mean, these have worked out quite well. You can gain access to these indicators. Let's just quickly go back and I'll show you how effective this is. Okay, so there's a bearish signal here. Quite nice. Prior to that, the 4-hour and the 1-hour were predominantly bullish. So here's some buy opportunities. So we look for green signals when we see this green bar. And the other thing we have is this. See these lines underneath here, these 5 green lines. If we see a combo of this green bar with these green, this is a multi-time frame, higher time frame indicator, a trend indicator. So it's telling us that the higher time frame well, from the 1 hour through to the weekly, is bullish. And then when we see this green bars, what we do is we then go for the green dot alert and this bullish alert here. And these are our trade opportunities. So when everything lines up, look at these opportunities here. The predominantly green, we get a bullish signal, take it. Coming back, you can see the breakup here. It's showing us, you know, I probably wouldn't take that, but I mean, that would have worked out. But we've got a red, but the higher time frame's predominantly bullish, so we need to be a little bit careful. Coming back, you know, I mean, look, some of these signals are really good, but, you know, we're going to go for the bullish opportunity when the bar is green and the higher time frame below is green. There's another signal here. Right, I think you get the picture. Look at this, for example. And of course, back here. So here's an invite, guys. Join. And this one here gave us a little bit of a dip down. Then we had this pretty vicious stop run after that before it took off. Okay, so if you had a tight stop on that, that would have been taken out. You get that sometimes. Okay, so but here's another opportunity here. You can see that the majority of these work really well. I mean, you know, how far back do you want me to go? Look at this. Here's an opportunity. Look at that. All right, guys. So we'll come back to this chart here and actually what's going on. Reset this one. Okay, so it's predominantly bearish at the moment. This was the opportunity to sell back up in here. That red dot. And oh, actually no. See how this multi-time frame in now is showing us a mix. It's the bar's red, but this is green. That's telling us to stay out of the market at the moment. Okay, so we want to see everything line up. Okay, so it's trading into a bit of a wedge, not giving us any real clear direction. So watch it as we trade into the London Open, that we might see these shift. So if we see a green bar appear here, and this is predominantly green, well, that would be an opportunity. London Open kicks off 1900 Sydney time. Yeah, we're kind of moving into it. Just be a little bit careful at the moment. This is a mixed signal here, so I wouldn't take it right now. Where to from here? Well, I mean, you know, where do we land with this? Well, at the moment, kind of in no man's land, you know what I mean? Like, we're getting mixed signals. It's not a clear trend, so it's rather risky. So let's just wait for the opportunity. When these two indicators line up, then we could have something. See, I'm thinking that we could see this. See how it's traded into this 4-hour or order block here? Well, we could see this actually move north. Looking for, you know, we've got this green level up here. So that's a point of interest. Okay, this is a big level, so what we could see it roll over here and give us a bearish trade. But wait for the signals to give us a good clean entry. Okay, guys. I mean, that's really all I can share with this at the moment. Just stay out of it for now and wait for the opportunity. Again, the links are below. Love to hear from you. Have a great day. Safe trading. We'll see you in the next one.